August 15th.
This is just to show Eden's obsession with Fudge and Fudge's apprehension of Eden. Fudge has gotten more comfortable, but Fudge was really scared when Eden was a baby. Fudge! Fudge! You know what that means? You know what that means? Come on, Fudge. You got fun? You waking up?
Hey, Fudge. Hey, Fudge.
You need to come around here to see what she's doing. Come here, Fudge. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. What you think, Eden? You like Fudge? Good Fudge, not sure. I'm not sure I want my head to go that direction. When she first started meeting Fudge, she tried to pull Fudge's eyeballs out. And she grabbed her nose. Why, Fudge? You know what to think, do you? Say, I'm out of here. You want to go over there with Fudge?
Here.
We know you want out, Fudge. We're just wanting to torture you a little bit. What you gonna do, Eden?